Standard 6th, subject Social Science, chapter number 17, Livelihood, part 2. In first part, we have learned about the meaning of livelihood, earning livelihood in village life, in limited resource and limited facilities. Today, we are going to learn about the connection of village with the city. Ramnagar is a small village. There is a merchant named Jagabhai. He has a small shop. Vegetables are available, along with grocery and many necessary things of life. So, soap, salt, medicine of all types are available in his shop. If village people need anything from Jagabhai's shop, then they take rice to the shop. He sells rice to the big shop of the city, which he has purchased and collected from village people at the lower rate, and sells at little higher rate and earns money. In this way, he sells the rice from the he purchases rice from the farmer and sell it to the city. We have read about the case from Madhuba. In addition to big farmer like landlord, we saw details of small farmers like Salman as well as small trader like Jagabai. They also have other sources of income along with small shop. Besides cattle rearing, retail labor, we also have noticed in detail about the people who live life by earning through retail work in industrial states. There are many other ways of earning. In this village, situated on the seashore, uh, Rudi Behan and Lakhima lives here. They do not have their land for farming, neither do have retail work or nor have earn money with any permanent work at any place. Rudiben and Lakhima are engaged in fishing. Fisherman is called a food producer. Fish is a marine life. Rudiben's husband helps her in her household chores. There is a small boat with Rudiben and Lakhima. They kept it at seashore. They have small net and other device to catch fish. They get into sea to catch fish and earn their livelihood by selling that fish. They do fishing for 8 months for getting livelihood. It is risky to explore the sea during monsoon season. Therefore, Rudiban and Lakhima do not go for fishing during monsoon. They have to face difficulties during these times of calamities, since they do not have another way to generate income. It is very difficult to get work in this time. That is why they have to borrow money to make living. They face difficulty in fishing too. These days, pollution is increasing everywhere. They have to go far away into sea for fishing. Plastic and polluted water of industries go to the sea through rivers or drainage, and due to this, sea water gets polluted. This situation creates tension for Lakhima and Rudiban. Fishing is not possible during cyclone. Economically, they were affected during tsunami. She could not go for fishing for a long time, hence government financially helped them to purchase a new boat. In this way, many people go to cities from village and sell their items like milk, vegetables and other things to earn their living. This were the life in the village where they have to earn their livelihood on daily basis by doing labor work. Now we are going to learn about the life in city. We have discussed about life and livelihood of village. In the same manner, it is also necessary to obtain information about business and employment in the city. It is very difficult to get employment in city, which we have to learn in this chapter. There are many people around us and everyone is connected with some work. Various types of occupations are seen in the city. Many people are dependent on this occupation. Some people go to office, some people have shop, some other have serving in this shop. Some do business on the roadside while some people work as hawkers. Some people go to school or college to teach and some are employed in small or big jobs. Some are doing work in industrial area, some is doing work in service sector, and some are doing labor work to earn their livelihood. There are various opportunities and options to earn livelihood in city and towns, where people just has to get opportunity to earn their livelihood and has skill to do that work. Rekha's village is a small village. Her aunt lives in the city. Rekha came to her aunt's house. She saw that many people get employment from roadside work. Some run small shops of vegetables, some run shop of flowers, cycle repairing, and some are getting employment through shoe polish by having small shop in the corner. Rekha was standing for a short time on the road. She found a man cleaning the glasses of vehicles and earning money. When the man was selling tools of cleaning on the bicycle. Another man gets employment by selling drinking water on the roadside. Hawkers sell toys in the same way. Seeing a haircutting salon, Rekha felt that all these things are available in her village also in 3 or 4 shops. Things which are sold in shop of village, same things are sold on roadside in the city. Accident occurs due to traffic problems. A person in the city may be involved with more than one work on the basis of occupation or skill. Rekha noticed that a boy working in a cycle repairing shop in the daytime was playing drums in the bhajan during the night time. Approximately, to guess, 12% of people out of total employed people in city get employment from roadside work. Special arrangement is made for Patharana Bazar and Lari Galla market. So traffic problems can be solved. Karsanbhai's native village is Mausari in Vav Taluka in Banaskantha district. It has two borders, Rajasthan state border on one side and Pakistan border on other side. Karsanbhai lives in village and engaged in carpentry work. Then he migrated to the town named Tharad for 5 years. He started running rickshaw in the city and takes students to the school. In these 5 years, today Karsanbhai has 2 rickshaws and he runs rickshaw and gets employment and earn money for his family. In this way, he get better opportunity by earning livelihood, and he also gives employment to other people by lending his rickshaw to others. There are collectively many work if we are going to find out in the city. Neelam's maternal uncle works in factory. It is in huge campus. Various departments could be seen on entering here. Factory of manufacturing pants and shirt, textile and technical department were found more active. There were more than 50 machines in upper storage. More stitching work with less labor could be done. Special machines were there for stitching or putting buttons too. He gave opportunity to Neelam to watch from where the fabric came to manufacturing of pants and shirt and their packing. Her uncle had a talk with trader. Trader wanted fast work. He wanted 1,000 shirts. He said to do overtime and get the work done faster. Neelam's uncle talked to them regarding overtime and extra expense which was incurred in his work. In this way, they get more income by getting the order of 1,000 shirts. Work is done in 3 shifts in a unit in 24 hours. 3 persons work at same place during 24 hours. If work is done for more than 8 hours, then extra remuneration or salary is given for every hour. In this way, people can earn more money by doing overtime work. Jai Singh came to Navsari from Rajasthan. He makes chocolate here. He makes variety of chocolates. He works to make these items and supply it to traders. He keeps a direct watch on this work for collecting raw materials to production and distribution of the chocolates. For this, he has to remain in special contact of traders, Today, more than 100 people are employed directly or indirectly due to Jai Singh's chocolate factory. We see many businessmen around us. Skill has great importance in getting employment in present times, and they are also able to give employment to other people. To get employment on the basis of this work, one example is given. Jai Singh runs a factory for making chocolates. For this, he will require help. So he employed some of the people and give them salary to help him in making chocolates and deliver it to the shops. In this way, people are earning livelihood and they are also helping other people to earn livelihood. Complete this chapter in your workbook and try to solve the activity of it given in the workbook. Thank you.